I just found out that the valve cover leak on my car has gotten quite a bit worse, and we need to tend to that. Well, just the other day I went out to Honda, got the valve cover parts, and now I am on my way to my buddy Andrew's house to go ahead and fix this. I usually like to start out my videos, as you all know, with a nice pull, but today we're just focusing on getting out there nice and smoothly, and if all goes well, we'll go for a nice drive later. Hi, what's up, everybody? Here's my buddy Andrew, the Honda wizard.
No, I'm not the Honda wizard. I appreciate that. You're overselling me. I work on Hondas at home and usually break them, and he's trusted me for some reason. I'm happy to be helping.
Don't make me feel confident.
I don't want to hit it.
I'm just coming in.
There we go.
Yep, we got it. All right, so we got the valve cover off here. We're about to try to do something interesting, which is adjust the valves.
A few moments later.
It's not happening.
It's not happening. Plain and simple. Yeah, we were gonna be a little dumb here and try to adjust them when the car is way too hot. So we'll do it another day when the car gets cold.
We overestimated how long it would take for the head to cool down in the Sacramento summer, and 3 hours ain't gonna cut it. We're gonna need an overnight. So soon.
Soon.
But not today.
Soon. Exactly. Valve cover right on in. Now it's time to go chill. Gonna grab some grub and then maybe go on over and drive some roads tonight. Now, for those of you who don't know me, which is most of you, I was born and raised in a kind of semi-rural type area. Now, typically there aren't a lot of JDM guys out in these type areas, so I'm one of the few out here, which is kind of fun. So cheers to all my fellow other country JDM fans. There's some of us out there, you know. Looks like a jump. Oh. Now, one of the big perks about growing up in a country type area is there are some very inefficient roads. And when I mean inefficient roads, I mean roads that wind and they turn and they dip and they do all that fun stuff that we as car enthusiasts love to do. Got a K alert for some reason. Feels so good. Honda S2000 will never let you down, people, that's for sure. I'm on a pretty mellow road right now. It's not a big interstate or highway or anything like that in the area, albeit most of the highways around here are single lane, windy roads like this. I chose this one because of the beautiful scenery. Up here in just a second, we'll be seeing some nice meadows, or actually I should say ranges, or grass ranges, or however you want to put it. Wow, there's some big bumps around here. This is crazy. Some quail on the road right there. Actually, those are dove. Like, look at these fields right here. Absolutely gorgeous. On both sides of me, you really can't complain when your views are like this. When your tack looks like this, revving up to 9,000 RPMs. Coming up into a nice left-hand corner, coming into golden hour as well. Always like to slow down whenever you see neighbors out. That's the truth about it. love to drive roads, love to have fun, but at the end of the day, it's all about just trying to be respectful of your community. right, we were good. There is no one on the roads again. To all the people who have just joined the channel, thank you very much for subbing and checking us out. Like I said, this is the mellow channel. We like to keep things mellow and fun, so hope you're enjoying the ride so far. Coming up on a really pretty part of the drive now, so I'll give us some peace and quiet and just enjoy the drive.